This customer's drain was leaking in the crawl space for over 2 years and they had no idea. There was this repair that was made there that obviously did not work, and it was just leaking in the crawl space. And the entire crawl space is disgusting, wet, and smells horrible. So I'm cutting it out and I'm repairing it. I'm getting this adapter cut out of this T here, and I'm gonna thread in a PVC male adapter to transition into PVC. Go ahead and do yourselves a favor, stick to Diablo blades. I tried something else just to see. I don't recommend anything but Diablo after trying that. And this is the nerve-wracking part of plumbing. This is like a surgery I'm performing here. If I would have cut too far and ruined those threads, that T would have had to come out. Which it honestly needs to anyway, but you know, they're balling on a budget. That was by far the only difficult part of the job. So now it's smooth sailing, just transitioning to PVC. I was taught plastic into metal, fine. Metal into plastic, not fine. And yeah, this is a horrible shot right here. I have barely any room in this crawl space, so not the best angle, but you get the idea. I was cutting it out back there. That is an 1.5 inch line, so I'm using a 1.5 inch by 2 inch reducing coupling, a banded coupling. I don't have any footage of that because it was really hard to film in this crawl space, I'm not gonna lie. And here's the finished result. Tell me what you think, but be nice. My mom watches these videos.